Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. Today we are building this 16 by 8 shed and it's for a friend of ours, a family friend, and I'm going to bring you guys along with the process, how this is going to turn out. It's going to be a part series, so stay tuned. Hope you guys like this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. This is clip number 2, and basically we have gotten the frame up now. We had the floor built in the first clip, and this one we're making the frame, and basically I use the regular 16-inch center or whatever you call it, the studs. I'm sorry, I've been like working this whole day. I don't even know what's left or right. It's so hot. But yeah, so basically used my DeWalt gun on this and just went in like boom 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 boom. Got this whole frame built up. Now we just have to make that slant. So this shed is basically 8 by 16. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So this is the overview. There you go. So yeah, it's gonna be really nice. Stay tuned for clip number 3. Okay guys, here we have it all squared up. Left 48 inches for the door. Put tarp in the bottom just in case of rain. So this is how it is. There we go. Now all we have to do is get the roof material and start on the roof, and that's about it. And after that we're gonna put all the, or actually before the roof, I'm gonna put all the OSB on the walls, frame it up. There we go. Okay, we're coming to the completion of the frame, and it's hard to find good workers. Zaryab, come here. Come on, do this. There we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. So we finally got our OSB on. All the walls are put up. I've done most of the framing to the roof. Just have to put the center beams to adjoin with this last beam, so it'll be good to go. All my studs are 16-inch center, so besides these two right here, we got a little cheap on that side, but the back and the front wall, they're all 16. So here we go. The roof put in. Okay, so this is the paper all complete. Okay guys, we got the trim. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. Today we're almost done with the 8 by 16 shed. It was made for a family friend. This is probably the first shed that I made this size. Yeah, so that's our shed. Just have to complete the last couple holes and I'll be done. This one and this one as well. And that's all the shingles and the paper and everything. The shingle roof has been put on. Alright guys, take care. See you on the next one. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. We're almost done with the shed. We're about to paint it. And the color that we chose is olive. And hopefully this thing turns out really good. This color is going to really pop this whole shed, and it's going to make it look really beautiful. So today we're going to finish the second coat on this shed. It's 8 by 16. Still have to finish this patch right here and one patch right here, so that'll be completed. This was a door right here, and that's the door, and this is basically the inside of it. Yep, I think this is plenty space for their storage things and whatnot. I just gotta remove most of the junk and just fix everything up a little bit, like clean it up. But overall this turned out really good, guys. Just like I mentioned, the front and the back wall, they're all 16 center and 16 inch studs or whatever, and just that wall, right, the side wall, we went a little low on. Let me know in the comments how you think this turned out for a newbie, basically. So that was the last clip, and actually second to the last clip, because I still have to do another coat. So let's get started on that. See you on the next one. Hey guys, here's the second coat already put on, and this was the first coat right here. Looks much better with the second coat on, and once this whole thing is done, it will look beautiful. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tool Report. So we're basically done with this 16 by 8 shed, and it's about to rain, so this work is going to be put up to the test. If it leaks or not, I'm going to come tomorrow and check it. I try to seal as much as possible with the nail glue all over all the four corners. So, and I had to improvise most of the way. So this is the leaning roof for the door. It's about to rain, so I'm gonna get out of here. There we go. Let's just check out the inside really quick. There we go. So this is basically 8 feet wide by 16 feet long. So that's about it, guys. Try to put as much nail glue in the gaps so the water won't penetrate the OSB. So there we go, guys. Wide view of the shed. Overall 2 coats olive green, really good. Okay, it started raining, and as you can see, yep, shed is all good to go.